Looking for the best vinyl record cleaner kit but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best vinyl record cleaner kit based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The Boundless Audio Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit is a comprehensive solution for anyone who wants to keep their records clean and in good condition. The kit includes a carbon fiber and velvet record brush, a stylus brush, a cleaning solution, microfiber cloths, and a metal storage case. The dual-row extra soft bristles of the carbon fiber record brush are a standout feature that makes it perfect for eliminating static and debris from records. Number 4. This 4-in-1 vinyl cleaning kit is an all-in-one solution for anyone who wants to keep their records clean and in good condition. The kit includes a velvet brush, a vinyl cleaner liquid, a duster, and a turntable stylus gel. It's a great value for the price and comes with everything you need to clean and maintain your record collection. Number 3. The Vinyl Buddy 5-in-1 Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit is a premium solution for anyone who wants to achieve crisp, clear sound from their records. The kit includes a velvet brush, a microfiber brush, a stylus brush, an alcohol-free solution, and a storage pouch. The extra-wide cleaning surface of the velvet brush is a standout feature that makes cleaning a breeze. Number 2. This 6-piece vinyl cleaning kit is a great all-around solution for anyone who wants to keep their records clean and in good condition. The kit includes a vinyl cleaner spray, an anti-static velvet brush, a needle cleaning gel and brush, and a drawstring duster bag. It's easy to use and comes with high-quality components that will last a lifetime. Number 1. This vinyl cleaning kit is a game-changer for any record collector. The patented design of the velvet and microfiber brush is tailor-made for cleaning vinyl records, effectively removing dust and minimizing noise. The flat velvet brush has a larger contact area with the record, making cleaning more thorough and faster. It's perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy their records in pristine condition. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.